In this video of CSS, we will discuss about flex property. In the previous video, we have already discussed about overflow, position, z-index and combinators. If you want to learn about those things, then click on the I button which is on the top right corner. Now we will discuss about flex property. The Flexbox layout module makes it easier to design flexible, responsive layout structure without using float or positioning. By using display flex in the parent element, child element automatically align like column and row with width auto and height auto. Now we will discuss about different properties of flex. First is flex direction. The flex direction property is used to give the direction of an element. There are four values of the flex direction. First is column. Column value arrange the flex item vertically from top to bottom. Second is column reverse. The column reverse value arrange the flex item vertically from bottom to top. Third is row. The row value arrange the flex item horizontally from left to right. Next value is row reverse. It arranges same as a row but right to left. Next property is flex wrap. Flex wrap property specifies that whether content will wrap or not. First value is wrap. The wrap value specifies that the flex item will wrap if necessary, which means if content takes more width than the container, it will be moved into the new line. Next value is no wrap. The no wrap value specifies that the flex item will not wrap. It will arrange in the particular width. Third property is flex flow. It is the sorted property for setting both the flex direction and flex wrap property. Next property is justify content. The justify content property is used to align the flex item horizontally. The first value is center. It aligns the flex item at the center of the container. Second is start. It aligns item from the start and it is the default value. Third is flex end. It aligns the flex item from the end. Next is space around. The space around value displays the flex item with the space before and between after. Next value is space between. The space between value displays the flex item with the space between the lines. Next property is align items. The align items property is used to align flex item vertically. First value is center. The center value aligns the flex item in the middle of the container. Second value is flex start. The flex start value aligns item at the top. Next value is flex end. It align item at the bottom of. Next value is stretch. The flex item fill the container. Next value is baseline. It aligns item according to the baseline. Next property is align content. The align content property is used to align content in the flexbox. The value, center, flex start, and many other are same work as a align item. Next property is align cell. This property specifies the alignment for the selected item inside the flexbox container. All values like start, flex start, and center are same as align item. Next property is order. Order property specifies the order of an item for display. See, the order is changed according to the value. Next property is gap. Gap property is used to specify gap between rows and columns. See the gap applied between the content. Gap is a shortened property of gap column and row gap. Next, we will discuss about flex grow property. The flex grow property specifies how much the particular flex item will grow according to the width of other flex item in the same parent. See, the width of child 3 is double to the other flex item because here I have used flex grow 2. Next, we will discuss about flex shrink property. The flex shrink property specifies how much the particular flex item will shrink according to the width of other flex item in the same parent container. See, the width of child 3 getting smaller than other flex item. Next, we will discuss about flex basis. The flex basis property is used to specify the initial length of a flex item. Here you can see that I have set 50% width of a specific child. Next property is flex. Flex is a shortened property of flex grow, flex shrink, and flex basis. Here 300px is a flex basis. It grows by 1 and the value of flex shrink is 0. So it didn't shrink. In the next video, we will discuss about grid property in detail. If you want to learn more about that, so please stay with us.